Hello everyone. Question is Administrator at Northern Trail Outfitters is unable to add a new user in Salesforce. What could cause this issue? Option A. The username is already in use another organization. Option B. The username is restricted to a domain specific to my domain. Option C. The email address used for the username has a contact record. Option D. The email used for the username is not a corporate email address. Correct answer is option A. Question is An administrator at Universal Containers has been asked to prevent users from accessing Salesforce from outside of their network. What are two considerations for this configuration? Option A. IP address restrictions are set on the profile or globally for the org. Option B. Assign single sign-on to a permission set to allow users to log in when outside the network. Option C. Enforce login IP ranges on every request must be selected to enforce IP restrictions. Option D. Restrict U2F security keys on the user's profile to enforce login hours. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is An administrator at Northern Trail Outfitters is creating a validation rule. Which two functions should the administrator use when creating a validation rule? Option A. Formula return type. Option B. Error condition formula. Option C. Error message location. Option D. Rule active date. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is An administrator is planning to use data loader to mass import new records to a custom object from a new API. What will the administrator need to do to use the data loader? Option A. Add a permission set that allows them to import data. Option B. Append their security token at the end of their password to login. Option C. Use the data import tool to mass import custom object records. Option D. Reset their password and their security token. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is Which setting on a profile makes a tab hidden in the All App Launcher or viable in RT app, but still allows a user to view records that would normally be found under this tab? Option A. Object permissions. Option B. App permissions. Option C. PIG wide defaults. Option D. Tab settings. Correct answer is option D. Question is The administrator for AW computing is working with a user who is having trouble logging into Salesforce. What should the administrator do to identify why the user is unable to log in? Option A. Review the login history for the user. Option B. Check the attempted logins by running the setup audit trail. Option C. Pull the password history to ensure the password policy was followed. Option D. Reset the security token for the profile. Correct answer is option A. Question is A user at Northern Trail Outfitters is having trouble logging into Salesforce. The user's login history shows that this person has attempted to log in multiple times and has been logged out of the organization. Which two ways should the administrator help the user log into Salesforce? Option A. Login as the user to unlock the user and reset the password. Option B. Reset the password policies to allow the user to log in. Option C. Reset password on the user's record detail page. Option D. Use the unlock button on the user's record detail page. Correct answer is option C and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.